Welcome to a home that redefines the meaning of luxury, where sophistication meets unparalleled craftsmanship, creating a world of its own. Set on over an acre of stunning North Korea land, this magnificent, completely reinvented mansion offers an unmatched family lifestyle that's as grand as it is welcoming. Every inch of this residence has been meticulously designed to perfection, from the dramatic double-height foyer to the exquisite materials and finishes that flow throughout its sprawling 1,270 square meters of internal space. With every detail considered, including sound and temperature insulation, this is a home of absolute distinction. Family living is at the heart of this home, with expansive formal and casual living areas that cater to every occasion. A media room, a professional-grade gym, and a cinema-level home theatre ensure entertainment is taken to new heights, while the temperature-controlled wine cellar promises connoisseur quality indulgence. At the heart of this home is a kitchen befitting of a Michelin-star restaurant, featuring custom Italian cabinetry, a walled-off gas cooker with a teppanyaki plate, and state-of-the-art appliances designed to inspire culinary greatness. The master suite is a sanctuary of relaxation and indulgence. With a private terrace, bespoke wardrobes, and a luxury ensuite, it offers a level of comfort rarely seen in residential design. Each of the 5 bedrooms in this home have been created as a lavish retreat, ensuring ultimate relaxation for every member of the family. Step outside to discover an entertainer's paradise. The covered alfresco area is equipped with skylights, heat lamps, and surround sound, while the award-winning infinity pool and championship-grade tennis court invite you to unwind or entertain on a grand scale. There's even a stunning greenhouse imported from the UK, adding another dimension to this incredible property. Designed for both beauty and sustainability, the garden features golf course quality Sir-Grange grass, automated irrigation, and multiple veggie gardens. This is a space for relaxation, recreation, and luxurious living. Every detail of this home is supported by cutting-edge technology, including a fully integrated Creston automation system, zone ducted air conditioning, and energy-efficient solutions like solar panels and EV charging stations. This is not just a home, it's a lifestyle beyond compare. Experience a new standard of luxury, where every detail is designed for comfort, style, and enduring quality. Don't miss your chance to secure what could very well be one of the finest family homes in Sydney. Welcome to your forever home.